Here I have a nail kit sanding. There's a bunch of these, and there's also a nail filer. This is going to go through to sand certain parts of your builds that didn't get really good. Like here, this is really rough, so I could use this to try to file it down a bit. And get rid of all those sharp edges, especially if it's like a toy or something like that. You don't want anyone to cut themselves. You do also have a nail filer. And now I'd have to work on a little more. There's a sharp edge right there. Here we go. It's less sharp, still got a little bit of sharpness to it. There we go. That part looks great now, and that part's not sharp at all. So I would need to continue and just finish it off here. And there's a lot of parts here where support was connected that I can go over with the sanding, and I will. And then it'll go through and be nice and smooth when this figure is done. So just want to go through and show you this. I definitely do recommend these. These are great, work really well, especially if you don't need anything insane with sanding. You just want to do a little bit of sanding to get the plastic parts off. Definitely recommend it.